Why buy a pencil pouch for 99 cents when you can buy all the craft supplies and make it yourself? Only slightly kidding. This is part 1 of my back to school sewing series where I'm showing you how to make all kinds of cool back to school supplies. You're going to need 6 4-inch squares, 3 for one side and 3 for the other. Take 2 of the squares and put them right sides together. We're doing a 1/4-inch seam all the way down. Then you're going to take that third square and do the same thing, right sides together, and we are doing again a 1/4-inch seam all the way down. You're going to do this so you have 3 and 3, so you have 2 sides to your pouch. Then you're going to take it over to your ironing board and we're pressing open our seams. Then you're going to need some sort of batting. This is just a fleece batting that I have. I'm just cutting mine to size, but if you want the exact measurements, it's 4-inch by 11-inch. Go ahead and do whatever kind of quilting technique you want, and then I'm just going to set the seams with my iron and cut off the extra batting. And this is where I normally start my pattern. So I have my 2 exterior pieces. My 2 lining pieces, again, are 4-inch by 11-inch, and then a 13-inch zipper. Exterior piece right side up, zipper right side down, and lining right side down. So if this had a print on my lining, it would be right side down. Go ahead and swap out for your zipper foot, and then you're going to sew your zipper all the way down as close as you can, and just be mindful of where your zipper is. Then we're going to do the same thing to the other side, right side up on the exterior, zipper right side down, and lining right side down, and then sew on your zipper. Then we're going to press it really quick and then do a top stitch all the way down on both sides of the zipper. This is really important to open your zipper. Put your exterior fabric on one side and your lining fabric on the other, and then I'm just going to kind of clip it in place. And then we are going to leave a gap about 3 inches and then sew all the way around. So I like to start at my gap, back stitch, and then we're going to do a 1/4-inch all the way around. Leave your needle down, pick up your presser foot, and pivot the fabric at the corners. Be really careful over the zipper, and then, like I said, just go all the way around. Once you get to that other side, you're going to backstitch again and make sure you leave that opening. I like to start with the opening so I don't accidentally forget and sew the whole thing closed. So keep going all the way around the zipper and then backstitch, leaving about 3 inches in the lining so that we can flip it right side out. Once all of that is done, we are going to go ahead and clip off our extra zipper and clip off the corners, just so we can get nice sharp points. And then you are going to flip it right side out, once through the lining and then once again through the zipper so that you have it all the way right side out. Poke out your corners, and then we're just doing a top stitch to close up that opening, 1/8 of an inch all the way down just to close it and give it a nice finish. Your pencil pouch is all done. This is the perfect size for a bunch of pens, pencils, highlighters, whatever, and even a small pair of scissors. Follow along for more.